Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is going to be a video today where I'm going to open up this package I got in the mail. I just got back from lunch and found this in the mail, and the story behind it is really cool. I figured it might be cool to share it with you, and then also I wanted to thank the people who sent it to me. So before I go into that, I'm going to go over the story of how we met these guys. My brother and I went down to Funnel Hacking Live 2018 about a month ago, and it was a really cool convention. Russell Brunson was up on stage talking about ClickFunnels and how you could grow your business, and we saw two guys on stage talking about the products that are probably in this box. I haven't looked in it yet, but they have a product called IllumiBowl, and they were up on stage talking about it, and they said it was on Shark Tank. And my brother goes, "Oh man, I've seen that product on Shark Tank." My brother literally watches every single episode of Shark Tank. So he turns to me, he says, "Yeah, I've seen that on there." So after they finished up on stage, we went over and said hi and just chatted with them for a little bit. And they said they could use a little bit of help on Facebook pixels. So we've been helping them out with that since the convention. And they just offered to send this package out to us. I have no idea what's in here. So I'm just going to go through, open it up right now, show you guys what it is. So let's take a look. I just thought this was really cool. All right, so let's see what we got in here. We got IllumiShower. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that on the camera. Okay, so that's like a shower head that actually lights up. They got all kinds of cool products like these, all different bathroom products. So you can change it from like hot, warm, cold, different colors. They got, now here's the IllumiBowl. This thing is crazy. So basically it's a motion activated toilet bowl light. So if you wake up in the middle of the night, when you walk into the bathroom, the toilet bowl is already gonna light up. That's just sweet. All right, let's see what else we got in here. So we got another one, another IllumiBowl. That'll be awesome. One for me, one for my brother. Oh dang, they hooked it up. We got a bunch. We'll be giving these out to some people and see how they like them. Wait, what is this? It's a toilet projector nightlight. Look at the poop emojis. Oh man, that's awesome. Thank you guys so much for sending this out. This came from Spencer and Nate at IllumiBowl. And let's see what's this light up faucet attachment. I wonder if it actually changes when, yeah, see the temperature of the water. So it actually changes from red, green, and blue depending on what the water temperature is. So when you walk into the bathroom, you know, you can actually, it'll be lit up and you don't have to worry. And then the last thing here is a clear audio touchscreen. Use your phone in the shower, so you can have a shower stand for your phone. But that's really cool, man. I really appreciate you guys sending that out to us. It was really great to meet them down at ClickFunnels, and it's kind of crazy because, you know, we just saw them up on stage and we figured, hey, we might be able to help these people out, help them with their Facebook Pixel events, and it's something that's really we think is gonna help their business. So we just went up and said, hey, you know, we think we might be able to help you out. Gave them some pointers, gave them some tips, and they just decided to send out this whole package to us. So I thought that was really cool. Thank you guys so much for sending this out to us. Really appreciate it, and we'll be talking to you guys soon.